To add a favicon to your website in Vix, start by logging in to your account at Vix.com using your email and password. Once you have access to your website, click on Design Site to enter the website editor. By default, Vix.com includes a standard favicon, but you can customize it by upgrading to a premium plan and connecting your site to a domain. To change your favicon, go to your site's dashboard or settings. Click Manage next to favicon, and then click Upload Image to select an existing image or upload a new one from your computer. After uploading your image, click Add to Page to see a preview of what your favicon will look like on your browser tab. Finally, click Save to apply the changes, and your new favicon will appear on your website's tab once you publish the changes. This process can be completed in your dashboard, and following these steps will allow you to easily customize your favicon.